How welcomes you once again. Today's topic of discussion will be what after class 12 commerce and BCom, the best courses which you can pursue to be a professional ready for the industry. Let's see what's the content of this particular video. First of all, we will see the various fields for commerce students. There's this particular myth that the commerce field is confined to accounting only. But that is the myth which is needed to be busted, and that's why I would be telling you number of fields available for a commerce student. That would be finance, accounting, costing, translating, to becoming a professor, lecturer, researcher, and many more. So wait for it. Next, we will be saying the courses. What are the courses a commerce student can pursue? Traditional, professional, and short-term courses, which I also call enhancers. Then at last I would be giving you some bonus tips. Do wait for the bonus tips because they could be really helpful for you. So let's see our first topic, that is various fields for commerce students. There's this particular myth that commerce students are made to do accounting, and that's really false. Yes, let's bust that particular myth. I have mentioned you an n number of things which a commerce student can do. First of all, I will be telling you about finance field. Yes, you can go in the finance field where you can manage the finance of a particular corporation. Then you can go in the investment banking is related to the mergers and acquisition and is related to the share market, not at the lower level but at the top notch level, like higher management level. So you can help them in investment banking. Then we have audit basically is related to somewhere related to accounting. Then actually what actually do is they manage the risk of the firm. So basically, nowadays, insurance companies as well as the mutual funds hires this risk managers or actuaries to estimate the risk. So actuaries do the risk management for a firm. You can be a mentor. Mentor means a lecturer, a professor, or you can mentor people. Mentorship is like on rise nowadays. Next is researcher. You can be a researcher. Many professors, many I could say the B schools want researchers which will help them to develop, and like we invest a lot of amount in R&D, that is research and development, and researcher are highly in demand. So you can be a researcher. Compliance officer, that could be a CS, and law student can be a compliance officer. Okay. Now I move further, that would be law. So through law you can go into the corporate line, as well as you can enter into you can be an advocate, you can be an like judge, like a government official, and that could be best thing for you. Further, we have accounting, banking, administration, government jobs, economist, marketer, stockbroker, translator. I'm wrapping up this particular topic in a hurry because we are having further the courses where we will be discussing these particular things in broad manner. So yeah, this is for a particular like various fields of commerce students. So now we will be looking at a second topic, that is courses. And in courses, we first of all we are having traditional courses. Traditional courses are those courses about which almost all of us knows. So first of all, we are having the bachelor's of commerce. Most of the commerce students pursue this particular course, and if you are doing this from Delhi University or any top-notch university, then it is well and great. You can get easily get like recruitment to big fours. I hope you are like knowledgeable about, you're having knowledge about big fours. Big fours include EY, KPMG, Deloitte, and PwC. If anyhow in your campus these four visits, then do not leave the opportunity, go for it. Then BBA is just like BCom, but they are more concerned about the business administration, and commerce is much wider than it. Then MBA, we all know about the Masters of Business Administration, and it's more sort of course, but always remember, if you're not doing this from the good institute, then it's waste. Next is LLB. LLB you can pursue after doing your BCom or BBA. So LLB can give you like a lot of opportunity for going in corporates. Many corporates want law students. They hire for them for the legal purposes, and you can go for being an advocate or a judge. Then we are having bachelors in economics with masters. If you do this particular thing with masters, that is MA in economics, then you can go for IES, that is Indian Economics Services. It is equivalent to IAS, and really competition is really half what is to the IAS person. So you can go for it because their value is just equivalent to IAS. So go for it. Philosophy of education is PhD, which you can pursue after your masters. Then postgraduate diploma. Postgraduate diplomas could be any diploma in digital marketing, in in finance and marketing, HR. This could be the postgraduate diploma, which are quite famous nowadays. Now we will be seeing the professional courses which we can opt, and professional courses are must have in this particular competitive world. So first of all, we are having the chartered accountancy. What a chartered accountant do is it can work in the field of business and finance, including auditing, taxation, financial, and general management. This is the work of a chartered accountant. And the need and the demand of the chartered accountant in the particular industry has increased amid lockdown, which is really a positive signs for being a chartered accountant. It takes a little bit of time, but once you are become a chartered accountant, you're having a choice to do work in the industry or be an uh, we have your own company set up for a chartered accountancy work. So next we have company secretary. Company secretary sees the legal work of a particular firm, and they are the compliance officers. And now after the amendment of the law, it is said that a company with 10 crore of profit is mandatorily have to hire and full-time company secretary. So need for the company secretary is also on the rise. Next we are having CISA. CISA stands for Certified Information System Auditor. Sorry, I couldn't mention it there, so I'm repeating this. Certified Information System Auditor. As we all know that the need for the information technology is increasing, and they are highly high professional and highly knowledge in this particular field of business systems and information technology, who audit, monitor, and assess the control data. And data is really important in today's arena. So that's why CISA is a course which is like highly demanded nowadays. So next we have CPA UK, Canada, and others. So what a CPA stands for? CPA stands for Chartered Certified Public Accountant. So if you want to go outside the country in UK or Canada, then you can opt this particular course. If you want to go to UK, then you can do CPA UK, and if you want to do go to Canada, then you can do CPA Canada. So yeah, then we are having CMA. CMA basically is the cost accountant. So in chartered accountancy you study all types of accountancy, but here you estimate the cost, you study the cost and management accounting. So these two particular fields are the most important nowadays. What a student do is they go for CMA USA, so that they are having much more opportunity, just because CMA India is much confined to India, though they are having MUs with other countries as well, but student nowadays focus on CMA USA. Next is actuarial science, जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया. It's about risk management, and then is chartered financial analyst. It is equivalent course to MBA finance. Yes, it is an equivalent course to MBA finance, and it is 3-level course, level 1, level 2, and it is equivalent to MBA finance. If you are doing an MBA finance from IIM Ahmedabad, that is a top college in India, then CFA is equivalent to it, and CFA is worldwide. That I would say is accepted worldwide. So next we are having the short-term courses, which I also call enhancers. First of all, that is NSE, that is NCFM and Diploma etc. NSE stand for National Stock Exchange. National Stock Exchange provides a lot of courses. One out of them is NCFM. If you have completed NCFM course, they take the exams as well, then you are having the higher chance of getting hired. So yeah, do the NSE courses, that is NCFM. Though BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, the first stock exchange of our country, also organizes such courses and some diplomas, so you can check out them also. Next is financial modeling. Financial modeling is a course where you have to deal with the stocks and model them, and you have to analyze which stock is better, which stock is not. And this is I'm not much aware about it, but you can go through it, and it would be a 4 month to 5 month course or 6 month, and it is really helpful and it's highly demanded. Then advanced Excel, it is really demanded, and you can do it complete in 6 months or something. Then digital marketing is highly in demand. Everywhere there's a opening for digital marketer, SEO searchers. So yeah, you can go for the digital marketing course. It is uh, a course which is of 6 months, and if you want to do the diploma in digital marketing, and it could be of 1 year maximum. So yeah, this was the short term courses which are enhancers, and you should do them with your graduation. So do let me know in the comment section if you want to know what are the amount of fees you have to spend on these particular courses. Either it is the professional, traditional, or the short-term courses, or if you want any particular, I could say, enhanced video which is focusing on particular subject or a particular course only, then do let me know in the comment section. So lastly, we are having the bonus tips. So first of all, the bonus tips would be focus on one area. As I have told, there are various fields in the commerce. If you want to be an expert, you want to grow, then you have to focus on a particular one area. It could be accounting, it could be finance, it could be the educational field. Anything which you have to do, be focused. If you want to be a compliance officer, then go for it. Don't uh, take two paths because it will lead you nowhere. Then be expert. The same thing I'm saying, that be expert of a particular field. Don't go for two fields at a particular time. If you want to enhance yourself in future, then you can while pursuing your higher studies or while doing a job. Set realistic goals. Start setting the goals right from your 12th standard. Don't focus like you will see something अभी तो 12th की है then देखेंगे. Don't do that. That would be like harmful thing. I'm seriously saying, do set the goals right now. Don't follow others. What is your path cannot be the other's path. What you can do cannot be done by the others. So don't follow others. Follow your passion. Whatever makes you happy, do that particular thing. Okay. Then be, if you're a commerce student, you have to read newspaper, and you have to be updated about the business news because it is a changing world. We are having a lot of laws which are changing nowadays. New facilities which are coming up, new news updates which comes up. So if you're a commerce student, you must read newspaper daily. Yes, it is mandate. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends. You can also follow us on our Instagram channel, which is Padho Padhao. I will give the link in the description box below. There you can find out some good quality content, which is the business jargons, that is new words. You can be updated with the business news as well. And next thing is, I'm starting a shout out thing on my channel. That is, if you're commenting below and telling me which part of the video of this particular video you liked, I would be mentioning and giving you a shout out in my next video to you. So please comment and tell me which part of the video was your favorite, and if you want me to make a video, a brief video on a particular uh, course like CA, CS, CISA, CPA, or anything, so please do let me know in the comment below, and stay tuned with us because Padho Padha believes in consistency.